Manufacturing companies typically lose 5% of their revenue potential in the production stage and another 25% in the quality control and packaging stages due to human and manufacturing errors. Current QA solutions require expensive hardware, controlled environments, and extensive onboarding processes. We at Lincode Labs developed a solution to reduce the wastage and human errors in manufacturing industries. We integrated artificial intelligence with machine learning and industrial Internet of Things to develop Preddy. Our unique computer vision-based solution uses AI with basic 2D cameras to detect manufacturing defects of less than 2 microns at high speeds, alleviating the need for expensive hardware. Our solution is deployable in any manufacturing setting and operable within a single month of engagement. Our solution also integrates AI and ML to predict the likelihood of machine downtime and future product defects. With Preddy AI in the industry, there is minimum wastage, zero human errors, and maximum productivity.